Handling social situations can be a bit daunting for introverts, but with the right strategies, it can become more manageable and even enjoyable. Here are 10 tips and tricks for introverts to navigate social settings more effectively. Number 1. Prepare mentally. Before attending any social event, spend some quiet time preparing yourself mentally. Think about the setting, the people who might be there, and what kinds of interactions you might encounter. Number 2. Have conversation starters. Ready? Arm yourself with a few go-to conversation topics or questions to alleviate the pressure of thinking on the spot. This could be anything from current events, books, movies, or a hobby you're passionate about. Number 3. Set realistic goals. Instead of aiming to be the life of the party, set achievable goals like initiating conversation with at least 2 people or staying at the event for a set amount of time. Number 4. Choose your events wisely. Not all social functions are mandatory. Choose to attend those that are most important or interesting to you. Knowing you have a genuine interest can make the event more enjoyable. Number 5. Bring a buddy. If possible, bring along a friend who understands your introversion and can help navigate and ease into conversations gradually. Number 6. Find quiet spaces. If you start feeling overwhelmed, find a quieter space within the venue to take breaks and recharge. A few minutes away from the crowd can be very helpful. Number 7. Listen actively. Introverts are often great listeners. Use this to your advantage by focusing on listening rather than feeling pressured to speak constantly. People appreciate a good listener. Number 8. Practice open body language. Sometimes simple gestures like smiling, nodding, and maintaining appropriate eye contact can make social interactions smoother and more engaging. Number 9. Follow up. After the event, consider following up with people you met. A quick message saying it was nice to meet them can go a long way and might make future interactions easier. Number 10. Reflect and reward. After the event, spend some time reflecting on what went well and what could be improved next time. Also, reward yourself for stepping out of your comfort zone, perhaps with some quiet time or a favorite activity. By using these tips, you can better handle social situations, making them less stressful and more rewarding. Do not forget to like and share. To see more videos, subscribe to this channel. Tell me how many introverts are present in the comments section by typing introvert or